Henry, so how to do this, I'm going to show you how to make a cheese and bacon baked potato. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do this with 2 potatoes, some nice large ones and starchy ones. So I've already washed these. If they're dirty, give them a wash, give them a wipe, pat them dry. Then just using a fork, we're just going to prick it over a few times, just like so. And in the meantime, I'm preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Next, we're just going to rub some olive oil over our potatoes and give them a good covering. Just like so. So let's move on to our oven. Alright guys, so we're going to put them straight onto the middle rack. Just like so. So we don't need to put it into a tray or anything. And we just want to bake them in there for about 50 to 60 minutes until they're nice and tender. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 1 hour mark now. And just have a look at that. So that's what you want. You want it to be nice and crispy on top. And it needs to be nice and tender as well. So you can just pierce it with a fork and make sure it's tender. That's all, so let's go ahead and take it out. But we'll keep the oven running. Alright guys, so next we'll just need 2 rashers of bacon. And all we're going to do with our bacon is just finely chop it up. So let's move on to our stove. So just into a pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once our oil heats up, we'll go ahead and add our bacon straight in. And we just want to cook our bacon until it's nice and crisp. This will take about 5 minutes. Alright, that's looking pretty good, so we'll go ahead and turn the heat off. Alright, so here comes the fun part guys. So I'm wearing gloves because these potatoes are going to be very, very hot. Just using a knife, we're just going to go through our potatoes. Not all the way to the bottom, we don't want to break it. Just 2/3 of the way. Let's open it up. And you can see all that steam coming out. That's why, be careful, it is very hot. So guys, all we're going to do is scoop out, say, 2/3 of all our potato flesh. Alright, so they should look something like that after you're done. So what I'm going to do is set up potatoes into a tray. We definitely can't put them back in the oven with all the toppings, or else that will get very messy. So just like that. So I've got all of our potato flesh in here. Just using a fork, we're going to mash that up. So I'm just going to add in 1 cup of mozzarella cheese in. So let's mix through the cheese while the potato is hot. I'll just help it melt much quicker. Alright, smells amazing. So let's give it a couple of cracks of salt. And a few cracks of black pepper. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of chopped spring onions. And a 1/4 cup of full cream milk. A 1/4 cup of sour cream. And I'm just going to add in half of our bacon. We'll keep the other half for topping up. And I'm just going to add in 2 crushed garlic cloves. So let's mix this all together. And this will be our beautiful filling. So guys, obviously you can add whatever fillings you want at this point. It doesn't have to be cheese and bacon. And we'll bring back our potatoes. And let's just begin stuffing these with our mixture. And give it a good decent filling. Be nice and generous. We took all these potatoes out of it, so they should easily fit back in, and then some. Alright, that's looking amazing. So we still have some of our leftover bacon. We're just going to add it straight on top now. Beautiful. So let's give them a bit of space between each other. Let's sprinkle just a touch of cheese on top, not too much. Alright guys, so back into the oven. We're going to leave it in there for about 15 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Alright, and there we have it guys. I've just taken it out of the oven and just look how amazing they look. So let's go ahead and serve these. Alright, and let's just finish it off with some fresh parsley. And I mean, what more could you want out of life? Alright guys, now it's my take on a cheese and bacon baked potato. I can count on my fingers how many times I've had this in my life, because it hasn't been many. But I mean, just look at that. That's so good. Cheese and bacon's always an amazing mix. Can you hear that? That skin is so crispy too. Might have to go for a second one. So guys, as I said, you're not limited to cheese and bacon. You can stuff this with whatever you want. I've seen bolognese is very popular actually these days to do that. But you can put any ingredient there, the recipe itself stays the same. Baking time stays the same, and so on. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.